In this video, we will learn how to manage serialized inventory in RepairDesk. Some of you might sell new or refurbished handsets, laptops, and gaming consoles, and you need a place in the inventory section where you can record information such as the IMEI or serial number, along with product color, size, warranty duration, or condition, so that when you sell a product, you can print out a docket receipt with device particulars and warranty information. Now, if you would like to add a new product, such as the iPhone 12 Pro Max Network Unlocked, simply click on Add Product, which will open a new window. Now, input the product name as iPhone 12 Pro Max 256GB Network Unlocked Grade A. Under the category, choose Handset. You can select Apple under Brand and iPhone 12 Pro Max under Model. Next, head to Additional Details to set up details like the product's physical location within your store. Enter the available stock in the on-hand stock. You can also set a stock warning threshold to trigger alerts when stock is low, and a reorder value to prompt reordering from suppliers to maintain minimum stock levels. Once all details are finalized, scroll back up and click Save. If you have multiple stores, you can sync the same product across selected locations. Now it's time to create serials. Navigate to the Stock section and enable the Serialized Inventory toggle. The system will display a pop-up to generate serials. Based on your available stock, you can split the serials. For instance, if you have 10 units available and 5 units share the same supplier, cost, and attributes, you can create 5 serials at once. Enter the cost price, retail price, and supplier details, and click Additional Information to add specifics such as color, size, or condition of the product. You can also set the warranty. There are 3 methods to generate serials. The first is automatic generation, where you can set the quantity, and the system will generate serials based on the format of product ID plus supplier code plus the serial sequence. The second is the range in specific format. Here, you can provide a range of serials and select a specific format of your choice. Please note that you can define this format under Inventory Configurations in your store settings. The third is through manual input. Over here, you can scan or manually enter a label, for example, the IMEI of each device, in each row, and the system will treat the number of rows as the number of serials. Once you're done, hit Save to create your serials. Now, navigate to the Serials tab after creation to view all your serials with their status set to On Hand. You can also create additional serials by clicking the Create Serials button on the top right. You can filter serials by serial ID, status, supplier, or using any serial attribute under the Criteria section. To print a label for an individual serial, click the 3 dots and select Print Serial Label. For multiple labels, select the serials, click on Bulk Action, and choose Print Selected Serials Labels. You can also view serials of a product from the product listing page. Let's quickly see how to sell a serialized product individually. Go to your POS, where you can either scan the serial label directly to add the product to the cart with the serial automatically selected, or search for the product and click on Select Serial. Choose the serial you're selling, click Save Serials, and then proceed to checkout to complete the transaction. The serial status will automatically change to sold. And you can track the complete log from the product's history. That's everything you need to know about managing serialized inventory. We hope this video was helpful. For more information, refer to our knowledge base article. And if you have any questions, feel free to email us at support@repairdesk.co. Thank you for tuning in.